Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now select voice typing from typing settings and tap on the gray switcher next to it to activate it. When you finish, go back to your keyboard. Now you can click on finally visible microphone icon, and if you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!